Hey guys, this is Grayson with Vapor Honing Technologies. We have this piece out of our deconstructed motor that we're blasting and fixing up, and we're gonna throw this in our Hydro Blast, and then we're gonna put it in our wet blast, the VH800 FL with glass bead. So, let's get to it. So we're back after hydro blasting and wet blasting this. I only threw it in the wet blast for a couple seconds just to see how fast it would work, and it's pretty much a night and day difference. It was really dirty and gross before, and now it's pretty polished and clean. There are a couple spots that I definitely could go over, but I just wanted to see how fast it would work. I don't blast very often, but I did today, and this was really easy to do, and it was really fast. So for beginners, this is really easy as well. It's not very difficult to learn how to blast. But yeah, this is the final product. This part is totally capable of achieving a like-new finish as well. If you guys have any questions, make sure to reach out and give us a call. Our number is 828-202-5563. Also make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. We have several other transformation videos with blasting parts like this, and we post content daily, so make sure to check out our videos coming out soon. All right, and we'll see you guys in the next one.